My beautiful patients, the most important point I want to emphasize is this: surgery should not be underestimated. Let's think about it this way. You are undergoing any kind of surgery, and you are applying to the hospital conditions for this surgery, whether it's local anesthesia, sedation, or undergoing a procedure under full general anesthesia. This alone brings a trauma effect to the body. So it is likely there will be a downtime, meaning a recovery process, that should be expected. I think it's very wrong for patients to think or wish to think this way about these types of surgeries. Doctor, can I go to work the next day? Or, doctor, can I travel 3 days later? Dear patients, first of all, you come to us as healthy individuals. And after our evaluation, we have to decide what kind of procedure will be performed. Now, everyone has different needs. Surgeries are performed differently for everyone. Therefore, rather than being more specific during the recovery process, it is much more important to focus on how I can heal healthily and what I need to pay attention to. In plastic surgery, the follow-up process is of utmost importance, to the extent that we even open a special class in our training, programs to educate doctors and doctor assistants on the important points that need to be addressed during the follow-up process. That's why we are discussing this in such detail. After liposuction, dear patients, the time you need to dedicate to yourself can vary between 1 day to 15 days, depending on which areas were treated and how extensive the procedure was. During this process, the use of a corset is required. Especially in my clinic, the manual lymph drainage massages performed by our experienced teams of healthcare professionals constitute the second and most important point. If the patient is not closely monitored during these follow-ups, and if a small detail is overlooked, please remember that unwanted shape changes and undesirable superficial accumulations can occur in the body. Let's pay attention to our doctor's recommendations.